Hello people, welcome to my channel Travel with Divyanu. So I have come up with one more box unboxing video, which is a product review for Organic Harvest, which is 100% certified organic products they provide. And I had placed an order, so let's see which product did I place an order with Organic Harvest, and was it worth of ordering or not, and how is it. So stay tuned guys. So here I go. So waiting is almost over. So the product, here I go. So what I placed with the Organic Harvest is this one. Okay. So what is this? So it's a lip balm, 3-in-1 lip balm, which is for 79 rupees. I got it, which I placed an order through CRED app. So you can see the MRP. MRP is 245 rupees, and you can see the expiry date, manufacture date. There's no discrepancy in it. If you're using a CRED app, so every day there is a splash deal, due to which you can get this kind of awesome product in a lowest budget, and every day splash deal is really fabulous. So if you are ever tried out or wish to try CRED app, don't go for it. Sync up and try it out. So bye people. See ya. Have a wonderful day.